Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I'm going to show you Oppo A54 remove the pin lock. If you forgot your pin lock, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain. Don't skip the video, please watch. First of all, power off your phone and wait 1 second. After power off, press the volume down and power button. And wait 1 second and recovery mode is showing. Oh my goodness. Okay, nice. If you try this method, your data is always delete. Be careful and select the English language and click the wipe data and format data. Type the verification code 7766 and click format. Your phone is now unlocked. Oh my goodness. Now reboot your phone. This unlock method is no need to PC, so normally if you unlock this mobile, and if you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day uploaded useful video for you. See you by next video.